Every day we move through countless moments. Most of them pass without a second thought. But there's always a camera watching, with the same standard. Every time, quietly, consistently, keeping the world around us safe. That trust starts here, at a factory where zero error is the only option. Hanwha Vision, Vietnam. Today's journey starts right here, on the SMD line. Look at this, a single bare board, nothing more. This is where your camera begins. Through this line, microscopic components find their place, forming the board that will power every camera. Here, over 700 different board types are produced every month. That's more than 120 model changeovers every single day. The industry average is 30 minutes per changeover. Hanwha Vision, just 3 minutes. But speed never comes at the cost of quality. Zero defects, always. How is this possible? One reason. From development to manufacturing, every step owned in-house. In-house standards, no exceptions. Anywhere in this factory, it takes 3 critical stages to build the perfect board. Printing, preparing the surface so every component finds exactly where it belongs. Mounting, placing 18 components every single second with extreme precision. And soldering, locking everything in place with controlled heat. Even the solder paste used in this process is managed with zero compromise. Opened more than 24 hours ago? It's out, immediately. Because what goes in here is what holds up in the field. As we move deeper into the factory, the standards only get stricter. This is the PBA line, where individual components become a single intelligence. Every step is logged down to a single screw, and every record is stored permanently, so we can trace it all back, even years later. Components are more sensitive than they appear. Temperature and handling time both directly affect performance. So every component is processed under individually optimized conditions, and even board cutting uses automated routing to eliminate the slightest vibration. 10 years, 20, or longer. That kind of reliability doesn't come by accident. Now the board meets its housing, but this is more than assembly. This is where security gets built in, not added later. Think of it as a digital seal. The firmware and software inside every device are developed in-house. They are locked tight the moment they're installed. No external access, no unauthorized modification. What you deploy is exactly what left this factory. And this is why shipping isn't the finish line. It's where the commitment to you truly begins. Do you hear that? It's almost silent here. The most sensitive zone in this factory, lens assembly. Even an error of 0.01 millimeters is not allowed. Our in-house optical calibration system hunts down every tiny misalignment, ensuring only perfection reaches you. Assembly complete doesn't mean quality confirmed. Vibration in transit, accidental drops, heavy rain, typhoons. Every condition your installation might face, it is mastered here first. The harder we push it here, the less you deal with it in the field. Every test passed, every standard met. Now these products head out to the world. Oh, one more thing. The robots running this floor, the equipment on every line, the software driving it all, that's Hanwha too. Hanwha Robotics, Hanwha Semitech, Hanwha Systems. From start to finish, this is a factory built and run by Hanwha. For over 35 years, Hanwha Vision has built its reputation in global video surveillance. The reason is clear. Everything is directly seen, verified, and proven with data. From start to finish, the standard you saw today, it holds. Wherever in the world the product ends up, what Hanwha Vision makes here isn't just a camera. It's a promise that whatever the conditions, it keeps working for you, wherever you are.